Well, good morning. Today we're down in the second Omega yard. Coming down, it's the 25th, April 25th, and it's been about 16 days since we put out this yard, and looks like the gallberry bloom is the flow is on right now. I don't know, you might even see some bees coming in and out. But we're just down here ready to check the, for the most part, we're going to just check the supers and not really disrupt them. Just see if they need some space. So just follow along.
Yeah.
They're okay. They haven't really done much. Starting a little bit right in the center. Oh, that is a bloom on that. Huh. No, not even really working into that one. Maybe a little bit right here. Right here at the front. Right in the middle? Yeah. That was one of those probably that we... All these are packaged, or most of these are packaged. There's a couple of them that's split. Yeah. Yeah, we didn't even open the tops on any of these, did we? Oh. No, we didn't. We need to. Nothing looks like they might be starting. Let's see. No. Nothing really, but looks good down below. Yeah. Okay. Haven't moved up yet. But these were all packages. We pulled the feeders out. Gave them 2 deep frames down below to start with. Oh, that's true, yeah. What's that, scorpion? Yeah, it's scorpion. There it is. Pull it out. Yeah, this one's working good here. What are you going to do, kill it? Yeah, kill it. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got. Yeah, super here, but let's see what we do here. This must be a swarm. Well, they are working. Yeah, she's up there laying.
Yeah, she's doing a job.
Need super there. Okay, what about? We'll go get one. I'll get it. Pull out one of these. Here, you want to trade? No. That J. Pull out the shop. Okay, you ready? I'm going to shake it. I'm going to slosh it. A whole lot come out there, didn't it? Them all right on. Yeah.
Oh boy, on us today.
Yeah. They ought to be busy. They shouldn't bother us today.
No day off.
Well, here's B yard. Put one here. Another one there. That one already had two. And then we put another one there. So 3 total in this yard. And we're gonna do an autopsy here on this one. It looks like it had a bunch of dead bees out front. Let me bring you over here.
This one right here, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's see what we got.
Ooh, good brood.
Huh?
Good brood.
Did it?
You get it?
Yeah, I think so.
We got the bottom. Got fresh stuff in here. Something laying in the bottom. This is it. A little bit of fresh stuff on this one. Got anything green there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, this one's
we're okay then. It's loaded with it. Okay. Well, should be okay then.
Oh, hold on.
She might be right here on this one.
Okay. Hold on. Oh yeah. Well, here we are in our first yard at Omega, which is actually the second yard that we're doing, but we're these are a lot more active than the new yard that we put in. So we're just gonna get busy and see what needs supering.
leaves are storm.
Huh? Keep your eye on it. Now this we had a problem with. Remember what it was? We didn't put a queen in. We had to sell or something.
Yeah, man. What it looks like. I think so. That's what that one looks like. Maybe.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Bad. Now this first hive that we had laying workers, and the easiest way to tell laying workers, well, first off, they don't have a queen. But next, if you look at this brood pattern, I'm going to try to show it to you. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, focused on it. See how it's sporadic? You see? You got a little here, a little there, a little there. See, it's not a full pattern. It's just one every so-and-so. And I say, if you look down in here, well, hard to see in the sun. Sometimes they'll double lay. They lay all wonky, because if they're not a queen, they're not very good. And we've come into this problem quite a bit. Anytime that you have laying workers, it's usually because they've gone so long queenless they get kind of hopeless, and they decide to start taking things in their own hands. This hive here is really dwindled down a lot. There's not a whole lot of bees on it. So what we got to do is we got to bust them up, and they'll figure out where they want to go in the hive. But it's just sad. So what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to put this empty one down here and just see if we can maybe get one of those swarms, because it'll be right out in front of them. And maybe they'll come down. We hope so, because we don't want to lose any bees.
Now we got 6 at the house.
Yeah, that is how we got 6 at the house. Well, we finished everything up.
1, 2, 3.
We had 2 that were laying workers, dead outs. We busted them up, and actually the weird thing is they're the 2 that are closest to each other. But we busted them up, and it looks like all the bees are pretty much being accepted into that hive. This hive over here, it's going to be a little while, but they'll get in there. Whenever we got here, it looked like this hive right here was swarming. But we looked in it, and there was plenty of room in it, so I guess it just wanted to swarm. Found 2 swarms up in the trees that are too high to get. It's a shame that it's so far away, because we do have poles that we can get swarms out of the trees with, but they're all the way up 2.5 hours away. So I can't remember how many supers we put on out here. I'll just
16.
have to go back. What? Huh?
16 altogether.
16 altogether. So
And then we repurposed 3
yeah,
of them, or 4 of them.
We did.
So we did about 20.
We put that laying queen over here, or laying worker over here, had they had quite a bit of honey. They had at least a whole super of honey, and then they were already starting into the other super. And so we went ahead and put that on the top of that one. It was needing super, and so we put both of them up there so it'll just go ahead and guard it. It'll be ready. But we're building up a pretty big yard here. And this is Doc, Bob, and Bob from GAFLLA Bees, asking you to be happy.